Modern warfare is not just about brawn and bullets. It has to do a lot with electronic warfare. Behind me is one Indian radar which has helped protect India. India's capabilities in radar are supposed to be very high. Is this made in India, make in India?
100%. This is fully indigenous radar, which we can boast saying that these two radars, we can say they are towards achieving our Atmanirbhar Bharat. That is the PM's slogan actually.
And again we have done this indigenously.
100% this is done with the indigenous technology, completely realized with a lot of industry participation. This is the active array technology, a fully distributed active array technology. This is an X-band radar. This technology we have developed from the scratch in the country. So though this is a small radar, what you are seeing compared to what radars you have seen outside, this is functionally is the mother of all the radar.
Oh.
All the functions are there in this radar, including your surveillance, your detection, tracking, imaging, whatnot. Any function of the radar you name.
And this is on Tejas, which
Yes,
is our
yes.
own aircraft. now.
Exactly. This is for our own pride of the nation, Tejas aircraft.
We also saw one classic case where radars were used and we saw what happens was during Balakot airstrikes.
Exactly. Because you see, during that time, all our radars deployed on the ground as well as this aerial surveillance platform, they were 24/7 operational. Our indigenous radars could successfully do the task and protected the country. We are proudly saying everywhere that we don't need any more radars to be imported from anywhere for any application.
Being Atmanirbhar in radars is very important for protecting India. Keep watching India Science.